Alright, so let's start with the Euro US. That's the one I showed this to you on a prior video. A short did trigger in. You could see it right here. This was on the 13th, day before Valentine's Day. It came straight down, hit the first target level, and at this point we're initiating some of our trade management plans or money management plans, and the stop is now moved down to just above the green dotted line. So we're on a risk-free trade. Win or lose, risk-free. We already saw the nice winners. So here's a trade I showed you earlier, and it now is triggered in, come lower. We're going to hold on to this. I mean, no matter what, we just stay with the plan. We're going to try to get down to this third target here. And it could do it. It could do it. And whether it does or not really doesn't matter. It's just another trade. So we stay with it. But there are so many other great trades that you could be doing on so many different pairs, and one of the great things about using the end of day charts, these daily charts, is that you can get into a lot of different trades, get good diversification, put on very small risk, depending, hopefully your broker allows you a lot of flexibility with your position sizing, and you could take advantage of a lot of trades with very low stress because it's once a day, checking your charts, managing your charts, and that's it. So let's look at a few more. Alright, this video got a little bit long, so I decided to break it up into two parts. So this is part 2, and this is a short that triggered in on the British pound. It actually triggered in a little bit later in the game on Tradestation. On Tradestation, it triggered in down here. So like I said, sometimes you can get better results with MT4. It really depends on the quotes. They're different, but it all comes out in the wash. It's the nature of Forex, but it's no big deal. The strategy works. You just trade your chart. This got short. Money management. Stop is down in here now with a risk-free trade. And this is moving lower, trying to get to here. Okay, you had a similar thing going. You had a short here. And that one got to full target. You could have added your position. That one got to full target. Could have added to your position. That one got part way. Stopped out with a partial profit. All the trailers on those stopped out over here. This one came down. There's a lot of profit in this chart on the pound dollar. So this is one of the current trades going right now. Alright, so here's another one. Here's a look at the euro pound. You could see some really nice trades. Big profits on the upside, coming up, up, up. Hundreds of pips in here. No setup while it kind of digests that last move, and now we've got a new long trade setting up here that looks like it wants to trigger in pretty quick. You can see the breadth of that trade. That trade wants to get in at 86, call it 86.86 plus some spread. Could you adjust around that swing level? I think so. I think you got enough of a big enough trade in there to maybe get above the swing level. I would. And then you go to the third target. And the third target is 89.09. So you've got enough in there. You got 200 plus pips to make that adjustment. You should do it. But that's the typical trend jumper trade on the euro pound, just setting up. And we'll look at just one more. The New Zealand yen. Really great trading pair. Lots of winners in here. You could see, you could add your position, build a position all the way up. Again, here, another winner. Another winner. This one triggered in, hit a money management level, came down, stopped out for a tiny loss. You know, fair enough. And now there's this one here. And this one, you know, again, you make a tiny adjustment around the swing level. So waiting to get long, the system's long, but a little bit of adjusting and you're still flat. You could afford to make small adjustments. You're going all the way up to that target, plus with the potential of a runner. Now on Tradestation, this trade already did get long. So again, you know, you're different results on different charts. That's okay. Tradestation is up 39 pips, 31 pips. But you can see with MT4, Trend Jumper is working great. We're really excited about the release of Trend Jumper on MT4. I actually place all my trades through MT4. I use Tradestation charting, but you could use the MT4 charting. This is a snapshot of the MyFX interface that I use with Owanda. I use Owanda and their MT4 platform for placing my trades, but I place them all through MyFX. And these are all my open positions. I've got a small account open with my 2 kids. Trading so easy, even a child can do it. I had my son closing out a position today. It got within a pip or 2 of the full target on the New Zealand Canadian dollar. And rather than fight over a pip or 2, and my son was standing right here right before going to school, I wanted to give him the thrill of closing the position. It did end up hitting the full target, but we got out a few pips early. I let him put his finger on the button and hit close. I mean, that's pretty thrilling for a 9-year-old. He took some of his savings along with his sister and added it to my Forex account, so they got a little piece of the action now, and they're learning how to trade with Trend Jumper with these end-of-day charts. But look at all those pairs. Look at the progress. These are the same trades I've been showing you and some more. Here's the New Zealand Japanese yen that I just told you was up about 31 pips or so. A lot of trades happening in here. I mean, this is over 900 pips of profit already. And you know what? Some of these trades may end up failing. Some of them may stop out with partial profits. Some of them will hit full target, and some of them may produce some big winners. I'm just going to let the trade plan do its thing, trade for trade, pair for pair. I'm guided by the dots on the chart and a very simple trade plan, and it's such low-stress trading. Like I said, so simple, even a child can do it. That's the Trend Jumper. And again, super excited to be able to offer this on MT4. But whether you're using Ninja Trader or Tradestation or MT4 or using any 3 of those charting and placing your trades through any broker you'd like, the Trend Jumper is ringing the register and it continues to do amazing. Make sure you're registered for the up-and-coming webinar where we'll be coming out with our second major release of the Trend Jumper since it was first introduced to the market. Really excited about that. Hope to see you then. Thanks for joining me, everybody. This is TJ with the Trend Jumper and NetPicks.com. See you next time.